Hi there, check out the Kungfuking recessed power strip USB-C 40W, which offers a sleek, flush mount design perfect for any desk or furniture setup. This power strip features 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including dual PD20W USB-C and QC18W USB-A fast charging options. With 1,200 joules of surge protection and a built-in circuit breaker, it safeguards your devices from power disturbances. The 6-foot extension cord is conveniently placed at the bottom, keeping your workspace safe and clutter-free. Its thin profile allows for easy installation on desktops, tables, sofas, or cabinets without standing out. Charge up to 7 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for phones, tablets, laptops, and more. Upgrade your workspace with this modern, space-saving recessed power strip designed for ultimate convenience and protection. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.